Owens Corning, having successfully met its first 10-year greenhouse gas reduction goal of a minus 30%, and then setting its second 10-year goal at a minus 20% and successfully achieving that, we have now joined a growing number of companies that are using science-based methodologies to set our new greenhouse gas reduction goal. Science-based goal-setting methodology is a way for a company to figure out how much it should reduce its greenhouse gas emissions to be in line with what scientists believe is necessary to keep the global temperature from rising more than 2 degrees centigrade. While this might seem complicated, it's really quite straightforward with the advances in climate science. This methodology begins with figuring out what the maximum amount of greenhouse gas that can be allowed to be emitted and still keep our climate from rising in temperature less than 2 degrees. This maximum allowable emissions number then essentially becomes a budget for all the different sectors, the industrial sector, the transportation sector, and the building sector. Then, companies that operate within those segments can begin to figure out what their allowable emissions should be within the segment that they operate based on their economic activity within those segments. The end result of all this is that companies like Owens Corning can then figure out how much we have to reduce our emissions to be in line with the global desire to keep temperatures below 2 degrees C. In essence, we end up with a science-based target that is what the world needs, not just what we think we can do.